So I've just finished playing at a birthday party. I just wanted to give you a quick tip about how to keep your bass strings or guitar strings fresh. Just finished. It's very sweaty in here, very warm day. Let's open the case up. So just finished playing. So the first thing I did is I gave my strings a wipe, get the stuff off. Second is I've got silica gel packs. I get loads of them. I get them off eBay for like £2 for like 100. And then I leave them in the case. And when I come back to the bass tomorrow or a few days from now, the strings are still relatively fresh. So hope that helped you. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video. Thanks for watching, guys. If you enjoyed this, feel free to check out our other videos as you can find here, or check out our Facebook and Twitter, or our Patreon page, which helps us to make more videos like this. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.